it's very rare that you came across a real breakthrough technology and at a point of time where everything is possible. And I really believe this technology has a very strong potential and can really change things. So now we have to make it happen. So the big challenge for me, and that's what I'm discussing with Maxime and Kevin, is how to bring the patient into Treefrog. Treefrog is a technology company. We need to change it to a pharma provider where we will help patients. At the end of the day, it's for patients we're doing that, and not for the technology itself. Technology is just a mean to get to the patient and to help patients. I hope I will bring to Treefrog my experience in the field of pharma, for sure, but also my personal experience with entrepreneurs and the different steps they have to climb to get where they want to be. And there's a strong momentum at Treefrog today, and there is an ambition which is pretty high. I think it's achievable, so that's a very interesting opportunity for me as a person to help them or join them and follow them, for sure.